Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and this is same series of C# beginner concepts. And previously we have covered this part 6, which is a methods and overload methods. So now we are moving to another concept, which is comments. So let me create another console application and just make it over here and just make this guy as a part 7 and concept of C# with the comments. Let me create it and create that guy. So before start to practical, so what are the comments? So comments are used to add a notes or explanation in the code, and this can be multiple things, like we can a single line comments, multiple line comments, and a documentations comments, like using a XML and all. So let me try to see how we can comments the code for the documentations perfect. So first, let me suppose the hello world, right? I just put some logic, and this is like hello world, right? And if I want to declare this code, suppose this is a code, right? And also, yeah, let me just try to one more things, like integer a, right? And integer a is 10 or integer b is 11, right? And if I want to declare what are these, right? So these are uh, variable type, like so how we can declare those things as a comment. So we can declare as a comment. Now see, this is the way, like doubles backslash, right? And if okay, so let me remove first, let me add something, like for example uh data declare data type and declare data type, right? Declare variable and data type. So variable and data type. So if you add without commented code, it is not accepted, right? So it is saying some compile time error. So let me build it. So if you build it, this application, definitely you will get this error, right? Why it's error? Because it is asking, it is not accepting this C# IDE, because it is they're treating as a something like whatever syntax they expecting, the syntax in this code snippet, right? So how we can declare as a comments in the particular section? So this is the one way, the inline comments. So there is call a inline comment. So one, if you use a double backslash, so you can just comment this code and you can declare, okay, what actually this code is does, right? So this code is just basically what we have done, the declare variable and data type. So we are declare a variable and data types. So this is a single line code, right? and and there's another concept of that commented code, like we have mechanism where we can just comment in multiple line. Now see, this is the single line comment. Again, if I use something else, like for example uh another variable, right? Another variable. So again, what I can do, I can again single line comments over there, like one by one line I can do that. But suppose I have a paragraph, like for example this is a paragraph, right? And similar I have another line, right? So I want to comment it all three line together, right? So how we can do that? So that time what I can do, like suppose for example take it over here, there's two line. So how can comment multi-line? So there is another way, using backslash and star, and then close over here again star, first star, and then backslash. Now see, now this time, okay, let me remove this guy. So now see, there is no error. I can run this application. Okay, now it is not part 6, it is part 7. So close that, moving to this part 7 and run this application. Now see, application got running. I'm getting that output hello world with no error, because I just adding this multi-line and single line commented over here, right? So this is the way, single line comment, multi-line comments. And now we have another way which we can add documentations comments. So how we can do that? So suppose I just create a method as like we create as a method like static void and greet user, right? So let me greet user create a method without parameter, and this parameter simply I just print out hello, right? In this hello, so this is the method, and in this method I want to define some some documentations comment. So how we can declare that? So what you need to do, simply 1 2 3 backslash. So you can just use the 3 backslash, but as of now it is not declaring over here. I guess is required a class. So let me just create a class again, class my name, right? And just inside this class I using this method, and then I will try to add those comment over here. Now see, once I add 3 time backslash, so automatically it will be generated over here, like whatever the summary, and it is end summary, and here you can define what kind of method as a documentation, so that anybody use this class in other other assembly or other project, so they can see, okay, this is that method, and what purpose of this method I can set as a documentation comments over there as like this. So these are 3 way. So yeah, that's all for this session, but yeah, in upcoming session we will learn like basic input output. So till now, have a nice day, thank you, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share.